Welcome to this short video which is designed to guide you through our cumulative impact assessment guidance for onshore wind farm developments in Scotland. We hope that you'll find it helpful in deciding whether to read our guidance. Within Scotland, whether you're planning, designing or building a wind farm, cumulative impact assessments are now becoming increasingly important. They are recognised in the planning system decision making as a material consideration. Scotland's nature, landscapes and wildland areas are all very special and they make an important contribution to our tourism and economic resource too. However, these landscapes are being threatened by climate change and we recognise that renewable energy developments are an important way of tackling these impacts. SNH is also supportive of the Scottish Government's renewable energy targets.
Wind farms and other developments can affect Scotland's countryside. And we want to help make sure these are done in a way which doesn't harm our nature and landscapes. One of the more complicated issues is how you consider cumulative effects of wind farms. Cumulative impacts can be explained in two main ways. Either the additional changes which will be caused by a proposed development when combined with existing and planned developments, or the combined effect of a set of developments taken together. Our guidance provides advice in four key areas: when to take account of cumulative impacts, how to consider cumulative impacts on landscape, ways to assess the cumulative impacts on birds, when we are likely to object to a development because of cumulative impacts, when to take account of cumulative impacts. The guidance explains when cumulative impacts should be taken into account in the two key parts of the planning process. In strategic planning as part of the preparation of a strategic framework for wind farms, and in development management as part of a site-specific assessment. In showing how to consider cumulative impacts on landscape, the guidance explains how to differentiate between landscape effects and visual effects, ways to agree the scope of the assessment and identify viewpoints, how to describe and illustrate any effects. As well as this, our document advises on how to assess the cumulative impacts on birds. It explains the nature and type of cumulative impacts, including barrier effects and habitat loss, what is meant by in-combination impacts, how to decide on species priorities, collect data and present that data. The guidance also covers when SNH is likely to object to a development because of cumulative impacts. The key consideration for us will be whether the impact of the proposals on the natural heritage raises issues of national interest. We have separate guidance on identifying these issues of national interest. Our guidance document provides a link to this and other detailed information, as well as who to contact in SNH.
We hope that you found this short video helpful in deciding whether or not to read our guidance on cumulative impact assessments for onshore wind farm developments. Cumulative impacts are just one of the many issues that you have to take into consideration when building a wind farm in Scotland. It's really important that you talk to us early if you're thinking about planning or designing a wind farm. When you're at the strategic development proposal stage, the development proposal stage, come and talk to us because we can help resolve issues before they get into the formal planning system. This will save you time, money and effort. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find our guidance useful.